Karunya Institute of Technology and Sciences, established in 1986, is an engineering college that was granted autonomous status in 1999 and declared a deemed to be university. This university has received an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. Let's find out more about its MTech program, starting right off with the 3.9 rated placements. As per the NIRF report for 2024 of engineering, in 2023, out of the 137 graduating students, 94 got placed and the placement rate stood at 68%. The top recruiters were Accenture, Amazon, HP, Infosys, Cognizant, and Capgemini. The median salary offered was 3 lakh per annum. Compared to the previous years, the median salary has remained somewhat constant and has not shown any growth. When comparing the median salary with MVJ College of Engineering, we can see that MVJ CE offers higher median salary. Moving on now to the academic offerings, where the MTech course is rated 4.2 out of 5 stars by students on Shiksha.com. Karunya offers MTech across 12 specializations such as aerospace, biomedical, biotechnology, computer science, cybersecurity, food processing, water resource management, robotics and automation, structural VLSI, biotechnology, food science and technology. To be eligible for the MTech program, the candidate must have passed graduation with 50% aggregate marks. The total tuition fee for the 2-year can cost around 2.3 lakh rupees. Shifting gears to the 4.3 star rated infrastructure. The campus is located at Coimbatore district at Karunya Nagar. The campus is approximately 25 kilometers from city and spans over 700 acres. The campus offers well-stocked modern library, hostel facilities, 24/7 Wi-Fi, modern classrooms, research laboratories, along with indoor and outdoor sports facilities. This institution has established centers of excellence in collaboration with Siemens Limited, Cisco Systems, Novel India Private Limited, IBM, Salzer Electronics Limited, and Lancet Commission. Speaking of hostel facilities, the campus offers separate hostels for boys and girls. Students have reported that the hostels provide multiple amenities, including common areas, a dining hall, medical facilities, a gym, and sports facilities. It also offers facilities for various indoor and outdoor sports, including a football ground, a hockey field, a basketball court, a volleyball court, a badminton court, and kabaddi, along with table tennis, carom, and archery arena. Moving ahead to faculty and course curriculum, with a rating of 4.3 by students on Shiksha.com. According to student reviews, the faculty members are highly qualified and approachable. Students have reported that the course curriculum is well structured and updated to meet current industry needs. Karunya has formed partnerships with major companies like Samsung R&D, Biocon, Nestle, and Tata Consulting Engineers. It also collaborates with prestigious international institutions including Harvard Medical School, Ben-Gurion University of Negev, Technion Israel Institute of Technology, and Australian Catholic University, offering students global exposure and research opportunities. Karunya's research is supported by funding from organizations like the DRDO, Ministry of Defense, ISRO, DST, MOEF, and ICMR, and others. Now let's move on to the 4.4 star rated campus life. The campus features various student-run clubs including Nature, Youth Red Cross, Arts and Literary, Rotaract, Photo and Video, Journalism, Music, Astronomy, Software and Networking, and Outreach Club. It also hosts numerous events throughout the year, including Republic Day, World Food Day, Alumni Reunion, and Convocation Ceremony. Lastly, according to the NIRF 2024 rankings, the university is placed within the 101 to 150 rank band in the engineering category. For more details on Karunya Institute of Technology and Science and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We did like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.